So have you ever thought to use paper like that? Yes, right? I believe mostly everyone will throw away the paper after using once and doesn't have the habits of recycling papers. Do you know that can cause the harm to the environment? As a young generation, we have to take action to protect our mother nature. That's why today, Hey there Innovator, I'm Tai with Lan, Duy and Thư. From varieties of major and minor at RMIT Vietnam, we bring to you Inky.
Let's have a closer look on why we come up with Inky. Based on the RMIT waste audit, RMIT Vietnam produce nearly 20.6 tons of paper waste per year, which is equal to 9 elephants, mostly including printed paper, food paper container, and carton box. Currently, RMIT free printing fee for staff encourage paper waste action for teaching purpose. Besides, 90% of students are required to reject paper immediately after using it once. However, RMIT does not have any sustainable treatment for paper waste, even though RMIT has waste sorting bin at the end of the day where it's not properly categorized. Therefore, such paper will be mixed with other waste and end up in the landfill, where the common method for treating paper, including burying and burning, will harm to the environment. To better understand the issue, we interviewed the RMIT literature and sustainability staff. They confirmed with us that in RMIT Vietnam, where it's mixed and then collected by the waste management company. However, 75% of collected waste is dumped into the landfill, which will allow CO2 into the environment. For that issue, we developed our question: how might we reuse a large amount of paper discharged daily in RMIT to extend the valuable aspect of this single-use paper?
To solve the issue, is Inky, a product eco-innovation that produces internal from the paper waste. So, how will Inky work? Firstly, paper waste are collected through our collecting bins in campus. However, it is possible that students and staff will throw the other waste into our Inky bins due to the inefficient waste sorting knowledge and ineffective sorting bins in RMIT right now. Therefore, to effectively collect the paper without mixing up with the other waste, we will recommend our customer to use the multi-compartment bins and actively educate students and staff about how to sort waste. Then, this collected paper will be put into ink production machine and shredded into smaller pieces to be transformed into ink with the power technology. This technology will convert paper into raw biochar, which is a solid material obtained from the thermochemical conversion. In order to get the pure biochar, some chemical will be applied to remove the mineral contaminants from the raw one. Finally, pure biochar is added into the specific solvent, which is served as the ink vehicle to make ink tunnel. The ink tunnel then will be used in campus printer by students and staff. During this process, it will generate bio oil. So since bio can be transmitted into fertilizer, RMT can use this to make the tree in the campus more fertile.
We have some benefits. First, around 40,000 pounds of carbon dioxide released from the waste incineration and substantial landfill spaces are reduced per year. For society, we will motivate the recycling habit and gain awareness of sorting waste. Finally, Inky will reduce costs for treating paper's waste in the landfill and lower printing fees for our customer in the long term. Inky circular economy is to extend resource use and reduce disposal. Then we shape a business model by the following slides. Our key stakeholders include employees, producers, suppliers, shareholders, and the key partners who involve from the university level to student level in our MIT. We aim for creating a long-term and co-creation relationship with customers who are educational institutions, businesses, and waste management companies. From that, the cost structure will be proportionally driven by the R&D and the manufacturing of machines. The revenues outflow significantly from the product sales and partially from the after-sales services.
For Inky next step, our plan in the first 4 months is testing, produce Inky machine from the factory and do Inky prototype at RMIT. In the next 6 months, we evaluate the Inky performance, collect user feedbacks, and then modify to its better version. Starting from the first year, we officially launch Inky to the school and offices, create integrated marketing campaigns, and collaborate with other organizations. Lastly, from second year, innovate and develop Inky to be more eco-friendly retail brands selling green ink to customers, and expand Inky in other markets like fertilizer from our bio oil. Eco-friendly Inky, eco-printing daily. Thank you for listening.